Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we will start exercise 8.4. Okay. Before start the exercise 8.4, we have to learn some formulas. Okay, you have to remember. Everyone know this already. Okay, because everyone know. If I ask you in 1 rupees, how many paise? So we will say, sir, 100 paise. But if I ask you in 1 paisa equal to how much rupees, so how will you find? Look at one example like this one. Yes, 100 paisa equal to 1 rupees. But everyone know in 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. But if I ask you in 1 paise how much rupees? So what we will do? So suppose, because both are equal, so we suppose I'll always remember, I told you, multiply another side become divide. Otherwise you can remember by equivalent fraction what we will do, we can divide 100 by 100 because we want to find value of 1 paisa. So 1 paisa how can you find? So it means we have to remove 100, so into paisa equal to 1 by 100. Both side, here also divide by 100, here also 100 cancel 100. So what is remain? 100 cancel 100. What is remain? It is 1. So 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So from here we find like this. So always remember 100 paisa equal to 1 rupees equal to 100 paisa and 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100 rupees. Okay. Same as it is. Everyone know. We already learned this one. 1 centimeter equal to 100. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. And 10 another side divide. So 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 millimeter. Understand? Understand or no? Next is same as it is. But in 1 meter, how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So tell me in millimeter and meter who is greater? Meter is greater. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 100 another side divide. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Same as it is kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So kilometer is greater than meter and centimeter and millimeter. Okay. The smaller one is millimeter, then centimeter, then meter, then kilometer. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1000 on the side divide. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So in 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Same as it is. In 1 kg how much gram? 1000 gram. And in 1 gram how many kg? 1 by 1000 gram. So remember the 5 formula and you can solve every question in this exercise. Okay. So look at. First is first part, E part. First question, E part. Convert 725 paisa. Okay. Express as rupees. We have to change in rupees. So always first we will write. We know 100 paisa equal to 1 rupees and 1 paisa equal to 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100. 1 by 100 rupees. And tell me very simple things. In 1 rupees equal to 100 paisa. And if I ask you in 2 rupees how many paise? So what we will do? So in 2 rupees, 2 is multiply here, 1 into 20, 2 is also multiply here. So how much? 2 into 1, so 2 rupees equal to 200 paise. Like this one you will find. If I ask you how much paise in 5 rupees, so multiply by, so 5 rupees equal to 5. In 1 rupees how much? 100, so 5 multiply by 100, so 500 paise. Same as it is, if you want to find how many paise in 725, so first we will find how many rupees is 1 paisa. Okay. In 1 paisa equal to this one, so we will write. So 700. So we want to find value of 725. तो multiply both side 25. 725 into 1 paisa equal to 725 1 by 100 rupees. तो 700 into 1, 725 into 1, तो 725 पैसा equal to 75 divided by 10. तो it is 7.25 rupees. तो in 725 how many rupees? 7.25 rupees. So always first find the value of 1 paisa, then we will find multiply this one whose we want to find the value. Okay. Now one more. Next is D part D. तो D part 50 rupees and 90 paisa. We have to change in rupees. Okay. So how we will write? So always first we will write. We know 100 paisa equal to 1 rupees. We want to change in rupees. So first we will find value of 1 paisa. 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100. Therefore, it is already given in rupees. So 50 rupees plus it is 90 paise. So in 90 paise how will you find? So we will multiply. In 1 paise 1 by 100. In 1 paise 1 by 100 rupees. In 90 paise 90 into 1 by 100 rupees. Okay. So 50 plus 90 divided by 100. So what is 50 plus 0 cancel 0. So 0.9. So what is 50.0? 50 point. Otherwise, if you don't want rupees, so 50.9 rupees. If you don't want to cut 0, it's okay. Okay, then also write. Then we will write if you don't want to cut 50 plus 90 by 100. So what will you write? 50 plus 0.90. What is answer come? 50.90 rupees. After decimal, if we add 0 after the digit in the last, then answer will not change. Okay, this one is also right, this one is also right. Understand? So do other question also yourself. Next is B part. Now is second question. Second question is given express as meter. Now we have to express in meter. Which one question? Question number E part. E part is 490 centimeter. We have to change in meter. So first we will write formula. We know 100 meter. We know 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. But we want to change in meter. Whose centimeter? So first we will find the value of, it is value of 1 meter. We will find the value of 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 100 another side divide. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So how will we find? Everyone know. So we want to find value of 419 centimeter. So what we will do? To write 1 centimeter. So it means 419. In 1 centimeter 1 by 100. In 2 centimeter 2 by 100. In 3 centimeter 3 by 100. And in 4 centimeter 4 into 1 by 100. In 5 into 1 by 100. But how many? 490 into 1 by 100 meter. Okay. So we will write. You can write. Otherwise you can do like this one. We want to find value of 490 centimeter. So multiply here also. 490 into 1 centimeter equal to, here also multiply 1 by 100. Yes. 490 into 1. 490. So we want to find. Equal to 490 divided by 100 meter. It is 490 centimeter equal to 4.19 meter. It is your answer. Okay. So like this one you will find. Okay. Next is C part. Question number 2. C part. What is given? Express 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Change in meter and as a decimal. So we'll write first. We know 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. We want to find value first. 1 centimeter. 1 by 100 meter. Yes, everyone know 2 meter already given in meter. So we have to change only this one. So we write 1 into 45 centimeter. So 45 into 1 by 100. So what will write? 45 centimeter equal, because it is already given in meter. We have to change this one only. So 45 divided by 100. It is meter. So 0.05 meter. So you can write 2 meter 45 centimeter. How much? 2 plus 45 centimeter. How many meter? 0.45. What is answer? 2.45 meter. Understand it? You can do this one. Okay. Next is question number 3. All the questions are very simple. You can do, I think, yourself also. Question number 3. Question number 3. Only one part I will explain. Part number C. Express as centimeter to 164 millimeter. We have to change in a centimeter. So first we will write. Very simple. We know 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. We want to change in centimeter. So first we will find 1 mm value. 1 mm equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. We want to find value of 164. So multiply both sides. 164. 164 into 1 mm equal to 164 1 by 10. This one. 164 into 1. 164 mm equal to 164 divided by 10. What is come? 16.4 centimeter. So 164 mm equal to 16.4 centimeter. It is your answer. Okay. Same as it is, you can do A, B, D and E part also. Okay. Next is fourth part. Fourth question. Only one part I will explain. Which one? D part. D part, what is given? 70 kilometer and 5 meter. And what is given in question? Express as kilometer. We have to change in kilometer. Express, but it is already given in kilometer. So we have to change only this one. This one. Okay. So we will write same as it is. We know 1000 in 1 kilometer. How many meter? 1000 meter. And in 1 meter, 1000 another side divide. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. But we want to change whose? 70 kilometer is already we know. Now we want to find value of 5 meter. So how will you find? Multiply both sides. 5. 5 into 1 meter. 5 into 1 by 1000 meter. Kilometer. Because kilometer. 5 into 1. 5 meter equal to 5 by 1000 kilometer. So it means 5 meter equal to how many 0 in denominator? 3. So it means after decimal 3 digit 0 0 and only 5 is already 1 digit. So 0.05 kilometer. But we want to change 70 kilometer 5 meter. What is 70 kilometer plus 5 meter mean 0.005. So change 70.005 kilometer. It is your answer. Understand it? Same as it is, you can do other part also, A, B, C. Okay. Next is question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Express as using decimal. Express as in kg. Kg mean kilogram. So first, which one part? Only one part. Part number C. 3750 gram. So first we will write same as it is. We know 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. To find value of 1 kg. It is very simple. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. If I ask you 2 kg, 2 into 1000, 2000. 5 kg, 5 into 1000, 5000. Same as it is. If we want to change gram in kilogram, first we will find value of 1 gram value. So 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. Understand? So now we want to change. So we find value of this one. So multiply both sides. 735 into 1 gram equal to 357 into 1 by 1000 kg. Understand? So 375 into 1. This one same as it is. 375 divided by 1000 kilogram. So now 3750 gram equal to how many 0? 3. So after decimal 3 days. 057 kilogram. Understand it? So it is your answer. Same as it is. A, B, D and E you can do yourself. So 8.4 also we have finished. Okay. So if you have any problem you can ask me any time. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. So now we will do first question of 8.5. Okay, very simple question 8.5 or the first question of first part. Add the decimal. How to add the decimal? It is very simple method beta. Whenever we want to add the decimal, always we will write 100. Always we will write ones. After ones, 10th. Now 100th. Now 1000. Okay. Next here is tens. Here is thousands. Okay. Thousands. Okay. So always how we will write, and it is decimal. Okay. Always we will write ones in same line, tenth in same line, decimal in same line. So what is 0 point? So once is 0, point 0, tenth is 0, hundredth is 0, and this one same. Understand? It is 0. Next is 8. Yes, it is tens is here given 0, 0. Here is also 0, 0. Like this one you can add. Okay, 8.5. And now 8 decimal 5 0 0. You can add. Now 10 ones is 0, tens is 3.08, and if it is not given you can use 0. Now you will add 7 plus 0 7, 8 plus 0 plus 0 8, 5.8, 3 and 0. So always remember this one. 1000 in same line, tens in same lines, ones in same line, decimal always in same line, and tenth in same line, 100 and this. Okay, you can add like this one. One more, you can add directly also. One more method I am telling you. Direct you can add. How will we add? Look at next example. Example C part. C part is 27.076 plus 0.55 plus 0.004. So always first we will write first number 27.07. So we have to add. Next is 0. So 0 is once always in same line, 0.55. Next is 0 is once, 0 0 0 and 4. You can add like this one also. If it is no number is, you can write here 0. Okay. So now 6 plus 4 10. 1 is carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. One more carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 and 2. So it is your answer. I hope everyone know already learning second, third and fourth, fifth class how to add the numbers. Okay. So same as it is. First question you can do yourself of 8.5. Okay. So you can do yourself. It is very simple. Okay. So next is 8.5. Second question. Second question. What is given? Rashid spent 35.75 for math book and 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. To write. So first we will write Rashid spent on math book. How much? 35.75 rupees. Okay. Next is Rashid spent on English book, not science book is given. On science book. How much? 32. Always write ones in same place, tens in same place, and decimal. 60 rupees. So we have to find total rupees spent by Rashid. How much total rupees was spent by? Total rupees was spent by Rashid. How much? So we will find. So we will add. So like 5. 7 plus 6. 13. 1 is carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. No, it is only 6. So 68 point. So how much rupees? 68.5.35. Understand? So it is your answer. Understand? Next, third question. It's a very simple question. You have to only add. Okay. Next is third question. Radhika mother give her 10.50 and her father give her 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. How will you find? So same as it is. Second and third question both are same. We have to only add. So we will add the money. How much money was given by her mother and how much money was given by her grandfather. Not grandfather, only by father. Okay. Same as it is. Question number 4. Question number 4. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter and 5 centimeter of cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth. To write bought by her. So we have so a girl is given Nasreen. Nasreen bought some cloth for shirt, some cloth for her dress. So we will do in next class. Okay. So up to third question you will do yourself. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.